Hey everybody, it's been just a little while since I've been on recording. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to check out www.racheloldham.net, specializing in bridal makeup and makeup for all occasions. Today I'm actually filling a request for eyeshadow tips, and I don't want to take a lot of time, but I want to make sure that you have tips to go out and look your very best. So, I'm going to do tips for brown eyes. I was asked the question if skin tone matters for eyeshadow. And what I like to keep in mind when I'm applying eyeshadow is not so much the skin tone, but the color of the eye. So there's certain colors that are complementary for different eye shades. Since I have brown eyes, we're going to focus on which colors are complementary for brown eyes. And the best colors for brown eyes, or most complementary, now that doesn't mean that you can't wear colors that are outside of this range, because with makeup, it's artistry, have fun, experiment. But the best colors for brown eyes are going to be silver, something like this. This is actually a loose shadow. Or blue. This is actually a loose shadow also. This particular one is Black Radiance. I think you can get it in like Walgreens. It's very pretty. Hope you guys can see that. Greens. Greens are great for brown eyes. Green is actually my favorite color to wear because it really does bring out brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes, go out and look for a silver shade, a green shade, and a blue shade. Now I know if you don't wear shadows that often, a lot of times people are a little afraid to venture out, but if you stick with brown eyeshadow, then it's going to have a tendency to make your eye color look flat. In other words, it really won't do much as far as enhancing it. So if you really want to bring out your eyes, then go get started with just these three colors and you'll be good to go. Also, in addition to those three shades, you always need to have a base color. This particular one is Bare Canvas, and it's from Columbia Cosmetics. But this color is very, very easy to find. And it's a matte shade, and this is going to be your foundation color. You're going to layer all of these shades on top of it. So go out and see if you can find something like that. Now, I'm actually going to do 3 different looks tonight, or maybe 2. We'll see. But you always want to start off with filling in your brows. And it's been a pretty long day for me, so I'm going to start off by filling in my brows. And this is just a dark brown eyeshadow by Smashbox, and I'm using an angle brush. I'm trying to think of other questions that I was asked. Matching your eyeshadow with clothes, that is a definite no-no. It actually automatically dates your look. You look like you just stepped out of the 1970s or 1980s. I think it makes you look very amateur. But to each his own. So if it works for you, have fun with it. But definitely it's not necessary to match your eyeshadow with your clothes. Just try to enhance your eye color, and you know, if you want to throw in a color to coordinate, maybe you could do an eyeliner, but definitely not if you have on a blue outfit. You know, you want all blue eyeshadow. So fill in your brows. All you need to do is grab an angle brush like that, a brown shadow like this one here, and with light feathery strokes, just trace the natural shape of your brow. That's all you're going to do. Okay. For our first look, we're going to start off very basic. And I have the bare canvas here. You'll need a flat eyeshadow brush like this. This is, I'm not sure what number this is from MAC. But you'll need it, even if you don't have this one, something similar. So you're going to take your shadow and start off applying it under the brow. From the brow to the lid. And I hope that this look will be simple enough that you can do it every day using the colors that I mentioned. Because I want to help you with really simple tips to enhance your everyday look. Okay? So put that one on all over. Hope you can see that. Then we're going to use the green because, as you guys heard me say, that is one of my favorite shades. This is called Mosscape and it's by MAC. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my brows. And I'm going to take the brush, put a little bit on here. And I'm just going to line the top lid. I can't really see, you guys. I think that's looking okay. I'm going to go over here and do the same thing as close as possible to the lash line. I'm just going to go straight across as close as possible. Alright, now I'm going to just blend it a little bit because I don't want you to really, I want you to know that the line is there, but I just wanted to have a blended look, so I'm just going back over. Now this is actually simple enough where you could do this every day. A base shade, a dark hunter green eyeshadow or something in the green family, black mascara, and you're out the door. So this is a very simple look for you to do every day. Base shade, angle brush, flat eyeshadow brush, and a green eyeshadow. So this is look number one. Let me know what you think about it. Very simple. You can do this every day. Just add some black mascara, your concealer, if you wear foundation powder, and you're good to go. Don't forget, check me out online, www.rachelodom.net for more makeup tips, specializing in bridal makeup and all your makeup artistry needs. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for video 2.